Data Entry Aptitude Assessment. The Data Entry Assessment is a comprehensive functional and aptitude test designed to assess a candidate's skills to perform the duties of a data entry operator. Data entry operators are the back-end executives collecting and organizing information for businesses. Now, the data entry skills test measures attention to detail, analytical ability, and problem solving and typing proficiency. Basically, the aptitude test contains 56 questions which are to be completed in 40 minutes. Now, what skills does data entry test cover? So these are: number 1, data entry skills including computer fundamentals like MS Excel, MS Word. Second is cognitive abilities, which include typing skills, attention to detail, and analytical ability plus problem solving. Now, additionally, Criteria Corp offers 2 employment tests for hiring managers looking for data entry operators. Number 1 is the typing test. So here the applicant is given a passage and 1 minute to type as much of that passage as possible. 3 numerical scores are given at the end of the test: words per minute, errors per minute, and adjusted words per minute. Number 2 is 10 key test or TKT, which is specially designed for numerical data entry positions. So candidates are given 20 entries to transcribe, and the score report provides 2 scores. Number 1, a speed score measuring keystrokes per minute. Number 2 is an accuracy score which measures the number of correct transcriptions. This was all. Thanks for watching.